Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and opening Chrome. This lets you access settings tied to Family Link. Once done, install Google Family Link on your phone if you prefer mobile management, because the app gives clearer parental controls. Make sure the child's device is nearby and that you know their Google account email. This is required to link accounts and enforce browsing restrictions. This step sets up control channels so Chrome can apply filters and supervision properly. You now enable supervision for Chrome through Family Link and choose the right browsing level, because this determines how strict filters will be. Once you select the child and go to Manage Settings, pick either Allow only approved sites for tight control or Enable Safe Search for broader filtering. Next, add specific site approvals and block so permitted content is explicit, and make sure incognito mode is blocked to prevent bypassing rules. This middle step is where rules are defined and enforced. Finish by confirming the supervision settings sync to the child's Chrome. You should restart the browser or device to ensure rules apply. Then test by trying a blocked site and an approved site so you can adjust lists in real time. This proves the controls work and refines coverage. If something goes wrong, first verify the accounts are linked correctly, update Chrome and Family Link, and check device time settings because clock mismatches can break policy enforcement. Those fixes resolve most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.